Welcome to the introduction for the first assignment for the primary PGCE. So this is a 5,000 word assignment or thereabouts, really focusing on the idea of teaching and learning, rooted in two key ideas. The first of these is critical reflection. Do make sure you've had a look at the video on critical reflection and on criticality, as this will be central to the ideas that will help you with this assignment. The focus of this assignment really is to do a number of things. First of all is to think about the kind and nature of teaching and learning in either English or mathematics or a foundation subject depending on your skit. Then to develop this idea by exploring and looking at the key literature that talks about this particular area of the subject area that you're investigating. You will then carry out some reflection on teaching and learning that actually takes place in the classrooms that you're working. What aspects of the subject that you've taught have made you thought about the literature or reflect on the literature that you've been studying? Again, we expect you to do 2 or 3 cycles of some teaching with a reflection based on this teaching and learning. More about this in the sessions, obviously. Then, using one of the reflective models that we've discussed, we want you to think about how this teaching and learning has impacted on your thinking about teaching and learning. Has this impact on the way that you think about the practice in your classrooms, about the way you might organise teaching and learning, on the relationship with children, or a range of things? Really, this is very open for you to pick up on 1 or 2 things and justify why you've chosen those. Finally, we want you to talk about how the impact of this piece of work, this piece of study, and this reflective practice have made you think about teaching and learning in general and your own teaching and learning in the future. So the whole assignment really is built around this model of reflective practice on teaching and learning.